Hello, I'm Martin from Germany. Thanks for picking my thumbnail and our title. So we are going to generate a pixel art fire like this one. First be sure to have black selected as black as background color. Like that. Then we click on File, New. Size will be 640 by 120. Advanced options, precision, we have 8-bit. And we fill with the background color, which is black. Here we go. So next we go to the gradient section here. And if you don't see the gradient section, you can configure this tab here by this arrow. Click on Add tab and add the gradient section, the gradient tab. Here we go. We scroll down to the gradient Incandescent. And we want to adjust this gradient later on, so we have to duplicate it for that. Duplicate, right mouse click and duplicate gradient. Let's just call it Incandescent Fire. I already had that name. Okay, here is our gradient, our duplicated gradient. We can already paint this on our canvas to have a better look at it. Click on the gradient tool. The parameters are shape, linear, repeat is on none, extend, and offset around 15, 20. So from bottom to top, like that. We can hold Control key to have a vertical gradient line, like that. So what we want to change in our gradient is this white yellow area. So let's double click on that, on the gradient, and click on the far right area here. Now it's selected, then right mouse click, and we can verify the right area, the correct area, by the colors. Colors are yellow and white yellow. And we want to change this right endpoint's color, the white one. So we go on Load Right Color From, and we want to replace it by black, so we go on this RGB black in this list. Here we go. Now we have our correct gradient, and all we have to do is we enlarge it to the bottom. Click on the plus, hold Control key to have the vertical line, and enlarge it like that. So we have a little darker space here, a bigger area red and orange, and a smaller area yellow, and this black area at the top. This looks about right. So next step, we are going on Filters, Noise, and Pick. Here we go. Our parameters are randomization and repeat, and we adjust them to the maximum, like that. Here we already see our flames. Randomization as well, around 80, 90 or something. Okay, that looks about right. So that's basically it. We created our fire. As a little addition, we could generate animation from this if we click on plus or minus of randomization, like that. and back. So I will make a video on that to have an pixel art fire animation in the next video. But that's basically it. Click on OK. We have our pixel art fire. And thanks for watching. You can click on like and subscribe. Thanks to the developers of Gimp 3. I love Gimp. Having lots of fun. Yes, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.